Hello everyone, fellow bloggers, ambitious businessmen, and passionate entrepreneurs. If you're thinking about hosting your website with Hostinger, you made an excellent choice, and I'm truly excited to guide you through this. In today's video, I'm going to share two powerful Hostinger discount options with you. The first one is my personal referral discount code, which gives you a generous 20% off on any hosting plan instantly. The second option is the coupon code Darul10, which offers a 10% discount. Clearly, the 20% referral discount is the smarter choice, and I'm going to show you exactly how to claim it effortlessly. This 20% Hostinger discount is available for viewers in multiple countries, and I have thoughtfully listed the links in the description box in ascending order, complete with your local language and currency. Just find your country, click the link, and you'll land directly on the official Hostinger website with the discount already applied. Once you're on the site, simply click on Products and Services in the navbar. You'll see a complete list of all hosting plans and services. My 20% referral discount works beautifully on every single one of them. For this demonstration, I'll go with web hosting and then select the business web hosting plan, which is perfect for growing website. When you reach the checkout page, you'll be pleasantly surprised to see the 20% discount automatically applied. It's that smooth and life-changing for your budget. This simple step can make a real difference in how much you invest while getting premium hosting quality. One important tip, always use a fresh new email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before to ensure the discount activates properly. I hope this video was informative, useful, and enjoyable for you. If it helped even a little, please show some love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more honest, heartwarming, and practical hosting tips. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and grab that amazing 20% discount right now and take your online journey to the next level. See you in the next video.